I'm going to visit 3 properties across KL to see which one I would want to invest in. Now, these 3 properties are located in 3 totally different areas in KL. It's the Golden Triangle. The first one is going to be at the Petronas Twin Towers. The second one is going to be in the financial district of TRX. And the third one is going to be on everyone's favorite, which is Bukit Bintang. Now, 3 properties, 3 different price points, and 3 different strategy. Let me know at the end which property you will want to go for. Alright, so we are at Armani Hallson. So this is the scale model right behind me. You can see this, it's super big. So this is about 76 stories tall. Now, a few stats. It has about 2,000 units. This is mostly for investment, high ROI investment. The ROI promised here is about 7% net because it's right next to KLCC, the Petronas Twin Towers. It actually has a covered walkway heading straight into KLCC, directly in front of the waterfall in front of KLCC, the Petronas Twin Towers. So that's one of the main selling points. This property is best not for own stay, but for investment. You buy this to meet the MM2H eligibility criteria and then rent it out. Okay, so in terms of investment style, you don't have to worry. They already have a property management company handling all the check-ins and check-outs. Alright, so now let's check out the viewing deck. So all of this is basically facing the 4 tall towers of Malaysia. You have the infinity pool, you have the infinity gym, you have the infinity deck out here, you have a heated bathtub jacuzzi thing going on here. So below that pool is the 4 floors of retail, and what's going to happen there is there's going to be Michelin star restaurants and a few other cafes and stuff that's going to be opening there. So it's going to be a very hyped up area. So this project is slightly different. You have the front 2 towers here facing this side, and then you also have a third tower, Tower C, that's also facing on the inside. And you also have another facility floor here. The entry price for foreigners here in KL is 1 million ringgit, and they also have special rebates and discounts. But we'll talk about that later. Now I want to talk about is the units. So now there's 2 units, right? One located in Tower C and then the other one located in Tower A. They have the 550 square feet. They have the 430 square feet. Let's go to the 430 square feet first. This is called Sovo B1. It's like a straight hotel room style. As soon as you come in, this is what you're greeted with. You have the toilet at the front here. You have the kitchen and the bedroom. And then towards the end, you have your hall. Now, this view in front here is actually going to be KLCC. Depending on which floor you're at, you may be able to get all the 4 towers. And this is Soho A. This is 558 square feet. So this is slightly wider. And this is located in Tower C. So as soon as you come in, this is what you're greeted with. So as you can see, this is slightly wider. So this would be more for own stay, right? So you have the bedroom here. You have the dining and the kitchen on this side. Toilet is in front. And you have another space here, a more of a chill out spot. And this is basically, you won't really have a view because you'll be facing the back part of the Tower A and B. So it's more secluded. It's for people who want privacy while living in KL. Alright, let's talk numbers. The entry price for foreigners, of course, is about 1 million ringgit. And the price per square feet you're looking at is about 2,000 ringgit per square feet, which is about 500 USD per square feet. And this lets you own a unit right opposite one of the most famous twin towers in the world, KLCC, the Petronas Twin Towers. And they have special package for foreigners, whereby they give you free legal fees and free MOT. The stamp duty that increased from 4% to 8% is also free. They cover it. Not all units will fetch the same 7% ROI. Some may be higher, some may be lower, depending on your view, the type, and the size. Now, if you want to know how to select the units, stay tuned. I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. Now, let's go and check out the second project, which is in TRX. Alright, now we are at our second property, and this is located at TRX. TRX is the new financial district of Malaysia, or Kuala Lumpur. Let's go check it out. Alright, so we just reached the gallery of Golden Crown Residences. This entire thing here is 70 acres and it's broken into two zones. So you have TRX here on one side, right, north and south. So this is kind of the overview. You have the whole TRX on this side and you have Crown Residence over here. So Crown Residence will face the golf course. And what's really important is that Prince Court is just 2 minutes drive away on this side, and then you have Sunway Medical Hospital on this side. So Golden Crown has 3 towers. You have the residences, which is all the way at the top, right? The whole tower. And then you have a 5-star Regent Hotel here, and then you have an office tower here. Now, what's interesting about TRX, which I did not know about previously, is the 70-30% commercial and residential split, right? 70% would be offices, 30% would be residents. That means out of the entire 70 acres, only about 20 acres would be residential, which is core residence and TRX residence. And the only other residences next to it would be Golden Crown. One thing to note is the entire TRX residences, core residences, and Golden Crown residences, they are not for Airbnb. So they are not for short-term stay. They are only for long-term stay, or you can use it for your own use. So if you're going for MM2H and you want a second home or a base in Malaysia, Golden Crown would be a good option. Now let's go to the facilities. If you want to be right next door to TRX Mall, and most importantly is the MRT station. This is not just any MRT station. This is the only connection between the two biggest MRT lines in Malaysia. The two latest train lines in Malaysia, they meet here. So we have the Kajang line and the Putrajaya line, they meet right here. And you just take your lift right down to the ground floor and you are already at the station. One more thing to highlight is that this MRT line brings you straight to KLIA, the International Airport. Now on the south side of TRX compound, another big plot of land here, there's going to be a university, and the top 1% of university, which is Monash University, is going to be built here. One more important thing to note is Golden Crown is going to complete by end of this year, 2026. As soon as you get your keys end of this year, you can immediately start renting it out. Okay, quick side note guys, I've got very exciting and important news that I want to share with you guys. It's something that I've been working on for the past 4 months. It is called the NAS Malaysia Network. Now, I have been gathering a team and building this team from the ground up, and they consist of visa agents, property agents, and all these other type of specialty, and their main job is to help you. The reason I created this team is so that you can get all the services that you need as a foreigner in one place. Whether you need visa agents, you need property agents, you want to rent a property, you want to find out neighborhoods in KL, you need lawyers for your PR, all of that you can get from the NAS Malaysia Network. And the best part is, it's completely free. The whole purpose is to help you get settled in Malaysia so that you know exactly how to do it from start to finish. Now, if you need help with planning out your entire roadmap to Malaysia from start to finish, then we can sit on a strategy call. Now, if you want a roadmap and also visit neighborhoods in KL with me and my team, then you can go for the KL Discovery Tour. We'll plan out your entire journey, and once you're here, we'll show you which neighborhoods exactly suits you, so you won't be running around all over, spending days or weeks in Malaysia. That is a hassle. That is time consuming and tiring. So get in touch with us, nasmalaysia.com. If you want to use any one of the NAS Malaysia network, scan the QR code and let us know exactly what you need. I will personally go through each and every one of your situation and route you to the correct team so that they will be able to get in touch with you and solve your issues. Alright, back to the video. Okay, so let's check out the units. Now there's a few units, and again, not all units will bring you the best ROI or the best capital appreciation. Only some units will. Here are the two show units that they have. Type A1, which is about 600 square feet, and the other one is about 900 plus square feet. Okay, so Golden Crown, 624 square feet. This is the layout. Now this is your entrance as you go in. You come in, you have the kitchen on this side, most of it already given, fridge is given, and this is the master bedroom. Now let's check out the 920 square feet show unit. So this is type B2, 900 plus square feet. 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a utility. This is a rough layout plan. Now, as soon as you go in, it's slightly more spacious because yeah, it's 900 square feet. You have your kitchen on the right, hall. Now you come here, you have the bathroom, and surprisingly, the bathroom is quite big. Then you have two rooms. You have one bedroom here, which is very spacious, by the way, and the master bedroom here. Master bedroom with your kind of walk-in wardrobe and another bathroom here. Also quite spacious. And there's one more. You see this? There is a hidden door. So you have a hidden door for storage. So this is very, very important, especially when you live in a condo. Now, there is one more layout that I think would be very good in terms of capital appreciation. And that would be this exact same layout, but the one that has a balcony. Why? Okay, in TRX residence, I checked. In core residences, I also checked. There's no unit with a balcony. Golden Crown is the only residence that in the vicinity that has a balcony, and only one type has that balcony. I think it's type A2. Exactly the same layout, 600 plus square feet, but it has a huge balcony that overlooks the golf course. So that would be really nice to have. So before we go to the next project, a bit of a background about this project and why I think it is a bit special. Number one is proximity to TRX Mall. Number two is it's best for own stay because there's no Airbnb allowed. Number three, you are facing the golf course. Number four, it is a integrated development where everything you want is in one place. You have the mall, you have offices, you have public transportation, groceries, you want greenery view, you have it all, and you're in the city center itself. In terms of schools, the multiple schools around here, private and international. Then, I know it's two private hospitals. You have Prince Court, which is about a few minutes drive away, and you also have Sunway Medical Center, two of the biggest private hospitals here, right, in KL. So if you are interested in finding out more details on which properties are available, which units are available, which one's the best, scan the QR code and let us know which property you're interested in, or better yet, get a consultation, talk to me and let me handle your property needs. All right, let's go to the next property. Today we are at Pavilion Square, one of the hottest properties in KL city center. This launched about a couple years ago. A bit of details about the project. It's a mix of office, hotel and residential units, and the best part is the location. Now this property is located in Bukit Bintang itself, like it's right next to the Pavilion KL Mall, and it also has a link bridge that connects directly into the mall. So you don't even have to cross the road, you basically go into the link bridge straight into the mall. There's a total of about 960 units here, and it ranges from about 500 square feet all the way up to about 1,300 square feet. Okay, so what's special about this project is that they have the rooftop facilities. It's like a multi-level rooftop facilities with the infinity pool up there. There is a 120-meter infinity pool, like overlooking the entire circle of KL. They have a sky garden also up there, and all the units here are fully furnished. We are going to check out the units. I think there's two show units, so we're going to check them out. This is also a leasehold property. I'm going to make a video about freehold and leasehold so you guys understand what's going on, how to choose, what's the difference, the pros and cons. So stay tuned for that, subscribe. So in terms of amenities, this is where Pavilion KL is, where the project is. Just a 2-minute drive down there, you are at Prince Court Hospital. And then you have the entire Royal Selangor Golf Club. 5 minutes away, you have TRX here as well. There's also the St. John's International Primary and Secondary School. Alright, so let me show you guys the show unit. This is the 504 square feet. Let's see what they have to offer. So you come in, this is basically like a studio unit. As you come in, you have the kitchen on the right, and then you have the toilet, quite spacious as well, on the left. And then you come to basically your hall/room. You have your entrance over there, your kitchen, the toilet, small dining, your TV here, and you have your bed. Everything is fully furnished. Most of the built-in cabinets are already given, right? And the best part is you have a balcony that is useful because Pavilion Damansara Heights does not have a balcony, and it's such a shame. Yeah, if you guys are interested in the pricing, in the brochure, the details and stuff like that, fill out the form and we will get back to you with the important information, especially what units are available, what are the best rebates and stuff like that, right? So this is going for about 2,500 ringgit per square feet. There are special rebates and discounts. You definitely don't want to miss that. Now, let's go see the other unit. It's about 1,270 square feet. It's already sold out, but I do want to give you guys an idea of the bigger sized units. Let's go. All right, so this is the 1,300 square feet. As you come in, you have the kitchen on the left. Huge kitchen. You also have an island over here. and then you have your dining on the side. Then you have your hall. Now there are 3 rooms here. You have one on the right, another one behind us, and the master bedroom on the left. You have a balcony, slightly bigger than the 500 square feet one. For me, in KL, you want to have a small balcony. You don't want to have such a big balcony. Why? Is because it's really very expensive. You just want to have the small balcony so that you can get fresh air, or basically just to not feel so claustrophobic. This is probably about 10 to 15 square feet. This alone is already about 30,000 ringgit. Now, let's check out the second room. This is the second room, right? Very nice, quite spacious. Then you have the toilet, and the toilet is actually a shared toilet with another room. So this can be your +1 room, this can be your study room, this can be your workstation. If you're running your overseas business from here, this would be a good place to do it, right? Or maybe even a co-working space. I am planning to go and check out a few co-working spaces as well, so stay tuned for that. For a lot of you guys, if you guys are interested in co-working spaces, let me know down in the comments below. What exactly are you looking for and what do you want to know? I'm gonna go and check them out and see if I can get some discounts for you guys. This is the toilet, quite nice. Nice, you also have the shower, but no rain shower. One thing interesting is all their air conditioning system is built in, right? It is not a split unit because it is a luxury condo. All right, now coming into the master bedroom. This is quite spacious. Okay, for the master bedroom, you have walk-in wardrobes here. It's quite nice. Oh, and they have a nice touch of light. So yeah, and you have the toilet here. It's kind of like an L-shaped toilet with a bathtub. And oh, okay, so the master bedroom has a rain shower. All right, so that's good. Let me know, which one would you choose? I'm curious to know. Now, if you guys are interested in finding out more information on these 3 properties, the NAS Malaysia network is here. Our property team will get in touch with you. If you guys want visa as well, the visa team will get in touch with you here as well. So let us know what you need and I will route you to the correct party and the correct team. All right, guys, I'll catch you in the next one. Let me know, what other properties did I miss in KL that you think is a good idea? Let me know down below. All right, guys, subscribe, like this video, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.